Hey guys, here's a Craftmade Phoenix ceiling fan. I got this at the Fanimation, the summer group trip. This is the Craftmade Phoenix I got at Fanimation. This one is a 4.5 motor. This one's in white finish. And also, there's there's some finishes like this too. There's one in black. There's one in brass, I think. I don't know, but I know Vintage Fancy More has one like this. So I've been wanting one of these for a while. Been wanting the Craftmade Phoenix. And also Mr. Ceiling Fan Guy 99 posted a video of the Craftmade Phoenix that he was testing at Habitat or something. Like that. And the blades are also bent too on this one. I thought that these blades were good. It wasn't gonna wobble, but this blade is bent down. This blade is bent up. These two blades are fine. Not sure about the other one too, but Craftmade has the pole there too. Oops. Just came off of there. Hang on, guys. There we go. There were a few parts missing. The canvas and original, I got that at Home Depot. The downrod, which I actually found here at my house here. The bracket was missing also, but I found those. Just so got a spare downrod. So, anyways, Craftmade. There's top. It also has swirly vents too. So anyways, I'll turn it on too low. This one also wobbles because of the blades bent or out of. These blades are out of hand. So turn on low. Gotta be careful because that blade is bent down really low. I don't want to hit my head on that and crack my head open. So.
Are you in your room?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh, sorry.
Some wobbles badly. I'm gonna turn it off for a minute here. I will be turned on to medium next. Just want to get all this wire out of the way so it doesn't get caught and have an electrical problem. should be good. So I'm gonna turn. Here's medium. Sorry, I have to fix the wire, but so I don't want a problem with it. Just look how the whole thing is just like spinning around like that. Sorry for all that, Hollands. Supposed to give up, give it. Alright, now turn on high. Ah! Break. Stop. Alright guys, I'm not gonna show you on reverse this time. Gonna have to cut this somehow. Oh, sorry for all those mistakes, but I can try to fix it. Anyways, that's it. Hey guys, here's the 5-blade configuration of the Craftmade Phoenix. Like I said, I took all the information about it. This one was a little bit worse, but I think it's the wobble I think in the last video is still the same, I think, but I don't know. But Oh, I forgot to tell you on the top has like crescent brackets. Like crescent brackets on the top of there. I always wanted to find a Craftmade crescent, but if I ever find one day I'll try to find one. Craftmade logo. I also, well, I got a couple Craftmates. I also got a couple Craftmates. Got the Craftmade decorative, it's just over there somewhere. And I got the Craftmade Tiger Shark. Also, I got the Craftmade decorative about like a year ago at Habitat. This Craftmade Tiger Shark. I got that fan when I came back from camp. We went out to there. My dad really liked that fan, so. Turn them low. Hopefully this one will do better than the last one, but I want to do a remake someday, but it's quite a fan. It's a quiet fan. Real quiet. When it has the lights on. It's kind of quiet. I know I don't. Yeah, oh, except for the wobbling and stuff. Medium. High. Just look how this wobbles. Just look how it wobbles. I'm gonna have to fix it. Turn it off. I won't put on reverse because I know it wobbles. Not even on the last video either. Just look how it wobbles. It's bad. Yeah, even when it slows down, just look at it. Alright guys. Guys, that's my Craftmade Phoenix for the 4 and 5 blade configurations. Thanks for watching. So let's rock out.